GE class milling cutter is an astonishing advancement in the field of mechanical machining. With its newly ground and advanced technology-enabled features, it delivers precise square shoulder milling and exceptional surface finish. Designed with special considerations and crafted from high-quality materials, the MG E-Class milling cutter enables accurate and reliable square shoulder milling. Its high precision during the machining process ensures precise dimensional and shape positioning, thereby enhancing the accuracy and reliability of machined components. Tongue Turn Jet is a groundbreaking coolant tool that brings high performance and optimized machining capabilities for cutting and milling applications. With its unique dual clamping design, it provides cooling not only on the cutting surface but also through penetration, ensuring comprehensive and efficient cooling. The advanced dual clamping structure ensures a continuous and uniform supply of coolant to the machining zone. This not only cools the cutting surface and tool, but also helps to minimize overheating and extend the tool's lifespan. By maintaining a stable temperature, machining performance is improved and precision is guaranteed. I'd like to introduce to you a modern toilet paper manufacturing plant in Japan called Maritomi. With over 85 years of experience in paper production, Maritomi has continuously sought and applied modern and advanced technologies to ensure optimized production processes and consistently high-quality products. The equipment and technologies used at Maritomi's Japan plant are highly efficient and ensure that the toilet paper production process is executed perfectly. From the tissue winding machines to the ultrafine grinding mills and the paper sheet bonding machines, these are just a few examples of the modern equipment and advanced technologies that Maritomi employs to create high-quality sanitary products.